as a descendant of the Bahmanid, have invited the family of Shah Ne'matullah Vari from Kerman to Dawlatabad Deccan and appointed them on reputed official position as Shah Waliullah, known as Budshikam, in one of the popular figures. King Ahmed Bahmani paid his gratitude to Shah Ne'matullah, and the green crown was sent to him by Shah Ne'matullah and promoted the Islam in Deccan. The story on invitation of Hafiz Shirazi to Deccan by Shah Mahmud Bahmani and Khaja Mahmud Gaban, the author of the Riyaz al-Insha and Manazir al-Insha, indicates that how much they were fond of literature as well as concern for Persian language. The gradual collapse of the Bahmanid caused the bifurcated regime on 5 different sultanates: Adil Shahiyan, Qutb Shahiyan, Nizam Shahiyan, Emad Shahiyan, and Farid Shahiyan. Most of the kings of these dynasties was poets and scholars, and some of them had divan in Persian and Urdu. Their courts were heaven for scholars, poets, artists, and intellectuals of Iran and others. The Allama Ibn Khatun and many other, more than 100 Iranian poets who belonged to the courts of these kings, shows that how much Persian language was flourishing in this region. I once again thanks to organizer for this program and inviting me in this August gathering. Thank you very much.